Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, I thought it would be fun to give you a little tutorial on how I paint bamboo leaves. So getting started with bamboo painting, these are the tools that we need. So I've got here ink, which is very important. And also, as a beginner, you may want to use an ordinary paper to practice and get your layout down. But normally we use Chinese paper for better result. Calligraphy pen, which is very important. The first supply you should consider is a calligraphy pen. This normally consists of a holder and a nib, depending on the type of pen you get. And these are my cute little ink dish plates where I put the ink. I normally use 4 ink values for blending. I have thicker and a lighter ink values. I'm using flat brush for spreading quickly on the stem. One of the principles of bamboo composition consists of the 4 parts of the plant, which is the stem, knot, the branches, and the leaves. But for now, I'm not going into details because I want you to practice and be comfortable holding your brush so you will be ready on my next tutorial. In South China, rain comes every afternoon, so the bamboo leaves naturally droop, and that is the pattern that I will be showing with you today. The first thing that you have to remember is that you have to hold your brush upright. Painting leaves, gently press down onto your paper to get a very fine line and slowly increase the pressure until the bristles of the brush as completely flat onto the paper. Slowly lift the brush, decreasing the pressure gradually until you're back to very low pressure. So please take a look at the video and try to observe how I do it. When I first tried bamboo painting, I thought it would be very easy. I struggled a bit and the painting didn't turn out how I hope. So I would highly recommend you to practice a lot before you start painting. So let's take a look on how to use a brush, how to use ink, how to combine the two to create different brush strokes in different shades of ink that represent different feelings and different objects on your painting. When painting, the leaves starts in the air, comes down you. So there you go. You touch, press down, and you lift up. Just keep on repeating that method as you paint the leaves. To practice any art, no matter how well or badly, is a way to make your soul grow. So do it. You know your work better than anyone else. Trust your intuition and get out of your head. There is no right way to create art. When in doubt, put a work in. Consider everything an experiment. Not everything needs to be a masterpiece.